Hey, leaders, Ki December. We are going to the heat, the heart of it. We are on the 20th of December now. So it means when we pass 21, 22, then we go by there by the 24. Yeah. We're already on the heart of December. December is going crazy by that time. I'm sure today some people are still traveling, going to the place. Please make sure that you drive safe. Some are already starting to celebrate. Please do make sure that everybody's safe. Yeah. But anyway, guys, as we're gonna talk about the Carrom of South Africa, so big improvements that I've managed to make today. So one of them, maybe let me. I'm gonna stop it because I realize when I keep it on portrait like this, when I record it, you guys don't see on its whole version. So I want to make sure that it's come closer to the screen. But it's gonna be on portrait on the phone. But for the sake of recording, I'm gonna put it closer to the screen. So when I press play, right, couple of things have changed. In the past, every time when you try to track it, it just hit you with a full power and all this kind of stuff. So I've managed to update that. You could see even the line render. It shows you that how much power that you're applying. If I do it like this, it just gives you a small power, right? The small power would be nice for you when you are making short angles. Then that short power is gonna be nice for short movements. If you don't want your ball to fall and you can just do it in short angles, it will be able to do that. And then now it's mid. I can get the mid power, right? And now I can get the maximum power. You see, I can have a maximum power, right? So it's able to do that, which is what I'm excited about. And yeah, so now I need to fix the score system and we shall be nice. We shall be nice, guys. So this is an update for today, what I've managed to achieve. If you're following this, please thanks, guys. And if you're enjoying December, enjoy with the highest level of safetyness. Halala.